Rug Doctor are a world-leading carpet cleaning company. If you need a solution for stains, our range of sprays and detergents are incredibly effective and affordable. Our trigger sprays are perfect for everyday use around the home. For most stains, use our Spot and Stain Remover or our Oxy Power Stain Remover, our most popular products. They're fantastic at removing stubborn stains from coffee and oil to curry and even red wine. Pre-treat with the high foot traffic spray to really rejuvenate your carpets. If you've got a baby or a pet, you'll want something formulated, especially for stains like urine and faeces. Combine Rug Doctor's Urine Eliminator with our odour remover spray to get rid of the sight and smell of someone's little accidents. If you've bought or hired a Rug Doctor machine, our powerful and professional detergents are the perfect pick. Varnish, wood stain, tar and ground in dirt can prove a nightmare for any house. For the toughest of stains, you need the heavy-duty power of Rug Doctor Carpet Detergent. If you need quick and effective results, our Oxy Power Fabric Cleaner and Oxy Spot Detergent give you extraordinary results in a flash, perfect for busy households. For mucky paw prints across your best carpets, you'll need the innovative Pets Formula Carpet Detergent for a full and fabulous refresh. It's the cat's whiskers. Give yourself the gift of Rug Doctor. Your home deserves it. Find out more about our products by visiting www.rugdoctor.co.uk.